Hi, I'm Zet Quinn with Quality Craftsmen. Many of the customers we speak with don't always make the best first choice when it comes to the bathroom remodeling contractor they choose. Unfortunately, these decisions can be very costly in terms of the time and money required to do the work multiple times, in addition to the frustration of a negative experience. We call these below standard remodeling jobs Pete's projects. We recently had a situation where a woman hired a Pete in a pickup truck to remodel her kitchen. They weren't honest with her about who was responsible for the flooring. The contractor took her deposit, demoed the entire kitchen, and later said the flooring was never within the original scope of the project. Her floor was left in terrible condition until she could find another contractor to complete the job, even though flooring was promised at the beginning of the process. She ended up having to eat her meals out of a microwave for 5 months. Here are 3 super important tips from Quality Craftsmen to help you avoid a nightmare remodeling project. Number 1, get everything in writing. Your contract should outline materials, timelines, costs, and responsibilities. If it's not in writing, it doesn't count. Number 2, verify the contractor's reputation. 96% of all contractors fail within the first 5 years. Be sure to check online reviews, references, and BBB ratings to ensure your contractor has a solid track record and is fully transparent. Number 3, and maybe most important, never pay more than 50% upfront. To ensure accountability, a trustworthy contractor will offer structured payments, which you can make as the phases of your remodel are completed. Offering the lowest price could also be considered as a big red flag. Your bathroom remodel should be exciting and not a headache. So let's quickly review the 3 things you need to do in order to spot the red flags and avoid a negative remodeling experience. 1. Get everything in writing. 2. Verify the contractor's reputation. 3. Never pay more than 50% upfront. If you do your research, ask the right questions, and hire a contractor you can trust, you won't be a victim of one of Pete's projects. To learn more about how to spot the red flags and avoid the Pete in a pickup truck experience, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and most importantly, share our YouTube channel and watch our videos on Pete's projects.